Welcome to the new lionbrand.com. We've redesigned our website so that it's easier to navigate and use all your devices, from computer to tablet to cell phone. Now you'll have the same amazing experience on mobile as desktop. Here are some new features that you'll want to try out. You'll find new filtered lists in the menu bar. Look for yarns by weight or fiber. You can also browse patterns by craft or project type. Visit the Shop All Patterns section and find the perfect pattern for specific yarns by selecting the Yarn Used option. Product pages now focus on images. With just a click, you can see large, detailed photos of our yarns and see easy-to-read overviews for each. Our amazing kits are even better with customizable options. Select your size and personalize your project by selecting the yarn color. If you want to purchase extra yarn for a kit, you can add quantities here. Add any needles, hooks, or accessories to your kit as well. And now, after checkout, the digital pattern will be sent to you via email in your order confirmation. And as always, you can still find thousands of free patterns at lionbrand.com. Have fun exploring our new website. Happy stitching!